Subscribers, this video lesson was recently launched on our premium courses. We created a new section called videography. So if you look at premium courses, this is exciting. We have such a wide genre that you can learn if you subscribe to premium courses. And here's the good news. Check out the price per year. That's per year. And the number of lessons that you get from premium courses, every week we're adding new content. And today's lesson, I want you to learn this topic. You know, when I was younger, I always thought that you have two actors, Yi Chong. You have like actor A and actor B, and then my camera would be behind actor B's shoulder, right? And then his camera would be behind me, and they're both on zoom lens, and then the director will say, action, and I go like, hey, are you into photography? Oh, you do? For how long already? But I'm curious, where do you learn? Premium courses? What is that? So I thought that when he said that, everybody is gonna like act at one go and then done. Then I realized that no, when I go into filming, I realized that no matter how big your production is, they only maintain one set of camera. And that technique of filming is called single camera filming. So I was thinking like, how do you do this? Do I like say one line? Hey, are you into photography? And then the camera will move over that side and then come over here and film me. So I was thinking like, that's going to be a lot of work. But no, single camera filming is one of the most de facto effective method of filming, which means that there's only one camera used. And the reason is not because camera is expensive. Yes, cameras for filming are expensive if you're talking about this brand or this brand, or even the one that we're using, it's not cheap. But the point is, every time you have one camera, you need to have at least 3 persons behind the camera. You have the camera person, the camera operator, and then you have the first assist cameraman. This man's job is just to turn the focus ring to make sure that it's in focus. Long story on that. But without this guy, shots will not be in focus. And then you have another guy changing and loading cuts and film and changing lenses. So you need 3 guys there. We call them the camera tech department. And then you need to have the audio people. You need to have at least 1 or 2 there. And we're talking about lighting people as well, to light up correctly for that. That's your camera looking at me. So which means that whatever light that is coming to me has to be favorable to that camera. So you need to have at least 2 or 3 sets of lights. Look into this point. When you have one camera, the burden is not that one camera, but it comes with a whole team of crew, at least 5 to 6 people. So if you were to have 2 cameras, you're gonna have like 10 to 15 people managing that. That's a budget overblown. Not because just the cost of the camera. Camera rental, in fact, if you look at production filming, cameras are rented because no one would actually own a camera unless it's stupid like us. We buy our own camera. That is because we teach filming, so it's effective to own a camera. Other than that, most production studios rent their camera. So they just go up to camera rental brands like this and then say, hey, I want an RE. And then what they do is they get the whole set of lens and typically, can you remember the cost of it? It's like $1,000 a day for a camera and then another $1,000 for the set of prime lenses. And then you get to rent the lights as well. And then what happens is, if you look at a normal dialogue like this, it's made up of 2 persons' conversation.
How much?
69 cents.
And the gas?
Y'all getting any rain up your way?
What way would that be?
I seen you was from Dallas.
What business is it of yours? Where I'm from?
This is called the odd lines. Well, because the line started with him talking first, and then this is called the even line. So in actual filming, well, Yi Chong, why not we show everybody? I'm going to act against myself. Let's start. So I'm going to pretend that the person I'm talking to, the head is here. I'm going to stand here, look there, that's the eye line, and talk. Single camera method of acting. And action. Oh, wow. You're in photography. Hey, how long have you been shooting? I've always been fascinated. Where do you learn how to shoot? Premium courses, what up? Oh, sorry, I didn't know. Yeah, why? Oh, about 6 months now. I learned from this website. You should head out there and check out the premium courses. Just go to the website, check out premium courses. The bird just flew away and I need to take photos. Oh wow, you're in photography? Yeah. Why? Hey, how long have you been shooting? Oh, about 6 months now. I've always been fascinated. And where do you learn how to shoot? I learned from this website. You should head out there and check out the premium courses. Premium courses? What up? Just go to the website, check out premium courses. The bird just flew away and I need to take photos. Oh, sorry, I didn't know. And that is how single camera filming works. Everybody on set and all the actors and cast work to accommodate the camera. That single one camera. It's not the other way around. It's not like actors act and then the camera move around. No, it doesn't work that way. So if you look at famous Hollywood movies, they are mostly filmed with a single camera, which means that they film all the odd number dialogue first. In fact, the actors, the toughest job and the burden of an actor is to act alone. There's no one there and you got to talk like, I've always loved, that's the toughest part. And then when that is done, the camera will flip around and film the second person. So sometimes the shoulder that you see doesn't even belong to the actual actor. And that's why famous Hollywood actors, with their schedule so busy, strangely, they may not even see each other on set. They're actually acting to thin air. So that's it. If you want to learn filming, you got to adopt and learn the single camera filming method. Don't go out and buy yourself 2 cameras. So, subscribers, that is single camera filming. Hey, you're in the wrong shirt. Oh, I forgot to change. Next lesson, continuity or conti. Yeah, I didn't change back. I'm supposed to wear it blue. Right, so now I look like... So viewers, I hope you show some support and love and head on to my website here and check out our premium courses. By far the most affordable way of learning. For just $29 a year, a wide genre of topic on photography, and we just added a new section called videography. So head on there, show your support so that I can continue making video lessons like this for free on YouTube.